Who's ready for heat 2? Nope. We're not quite there. And if anybody's curious what it looks like when the beautiful Conair blower is going, I mean, it does get her going pretty good, right? And with that, heat 3. We're so close. All right, looks like we've hit it, eh? Back to the fire with you. And that'll be that for part 2. I'm going to forge another identical one. You guys don't want to watch me do that all over again. And I've got some other parental duties and household duties to take care of today. So I'll be back tomorrow with the next part of the build. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.